Hello students, today I am going to teach you a poem of Beehive for class 9, and the title of the poem is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. So I'll start with first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Some word meanings are also given there. This poem is actually about making choices in our life, and the roads are a symbol of choice. In this stanza, the poet was standing at a place in a yellow forest, and here you can see I have given you a picture where two roads are separated in two different directions, and the poet was standing on the junction, and he was just looking on both the roads, and he said that he was sorry because it was not possible for him to travel both the roads in the same time. He could not walk on both the roads at the same time and be one traveler because he was the one person. He stood there for a long time and looked at the road down as far as he could see, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The road then bent and disappeared from his eyes in bushes and the undergrowth, and he was unable to decide which road he should choose. Now the second stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Now, because he had to go one way and he had to decide a way to walk on, the poet decided to walk on the other road, just as fair. He wanted to tell us that it was as beautiful as the first one. Both the roads were beautiful same in the same way. But the second road presented better claim before him. It attracted him the most because it was grassy and wanted wear. It means no one had walked on that road till he thought so. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. He said that as far as the question of their being warned due to walking of the travellers is concerned, both of them had warned in the same way. And when we have the same options before us, it becomes more difficult for us to choose. And in the same condition the poet was standing there. Now comes the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Both that morning equally lay, when the right roads lay in front of him, and both the roads were in the same condition. They were covered with fallen leaves, and the leaves were not blackened by steps. It means no one traveled there till that time. I kept the first for another day. He said that I thought that I'll walk on the first road any other time, yet knowing how way leads on to way. In his heart, the writer also knew that it would be very difficult for him to come back. I doubted. He used the word doubted because He was not sure that he would ever come back there. And it happened in our life also. When we make a choice, we cannot revert it. Now comes the last stanza, stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Now, after reading the fourth stanza, it seems that the poet was not happy with his choice. I shall be telling this with a sigh. It is very difficult to pass the judgment on the spur of that moment when we took decision. But after some time or after many years, we realized about the right or wrong decision of our past. That's why I say after many years, perhaps he will be telling with a sigh that his choice was not very good. I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. And whatever he got in his life was the result of his choice made in past. But he was still satisfied that the choice was his own, and that choice had made all the difference in his life. Students, sometimes it happened with us that we have to take some decisions, and it becomes very hard for us to choose any one option. So here the roads are symbol of choice, and it is our choice, it is our decision which matters, which makes a great difference in our life. So here I am giving you the gist of this poem. In this poem, the roads are a symbol of our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. As you can see, the title of the poem is the road not taken. He describes his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. A man has to take decision, and the decision which we take decides our future, our destination. So the important message of this poem is that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has a great impact on our future. And if this choice is wrong, we regret it. But we cannot go back on it. We cannot go back in the past and change it. So we must be wise enough while we make a choice in our life, because it is our choice which can change our life for the betterment or for the worst. I hope you understand the poem and its gist, its message. Thank you.